How to enable or disable sound effects in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account properly. Once you are on the main screen or game lobby, choose any game you would like to play from the available list. Next, tap on Play Now to enter the game screen. On the game interface, you will see three horizontal lines, usually located on the right hand side of the screen. Tap on that menu icon and you will find the sound or speaker symbol. To disable sound effects or background music, simply tap on that icon. The sound will be turned off immediately, no confirmation or saving needed. If you ever want to enable sound effects again, just tap the same icon to unmute the game. This feature is perfect for times when you want a silent gaming experience or prefer to enjoy your own music while playing. Now you know how to enable or disable sound effects in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.